Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the tools and taking immediate action. Connect the iPad to a Mac or PC with the latest Finder or iTunes. Use a reliable USB cable. Once connected, try a force restart to clear transient glitches. Press the appropriate button sequence for your model. If the passcode is still locked, move straight to recovery mode. This step ensures the computer recognizes the iPad and lets you proceed to restore or update without losing more time. Next, you enter recovery mode and execute the restore or update. Follow the model-specific button sequence to force recovery mode so the computer sees the device as recoverable. On the Mac/PC, choose Update first to preserve data. If update fails, select Restore, which erases the device and reinstalls iOS. Make sure to monitor progress and do not disconnect the cable. Interrupted restores can brick the device. Once complete, you can set the iPad up again and sign back into your Apple ID. Finally, you finish setup and handle any roadblocks. After restore, follow on-screen prompts to sign into your Apple ID and restore from iCloud or a local backup if available. If Activation Lock requests the previous Apple ID, enter those credentials to regain access. This prevents unauthorized use. If the recovery repeatedly fails, try a different USB cable or another computer and update iTunes/Finder. If problems persist, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.